What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restock video. I am super excited to show you all the slimes that we're going to be putting in the shop. So let's go ahead and get started. Of course, the shop does open at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, so make sure that you convert your local time if you are in a different time zone, because that happens sometimes. Of course, the slime that you are watching right now is Chanel number 2. This is my best seller. It's a thick and glossy, bubblicious bubblegum scented slime, and it's just amazing. A lot of people, I feel, don't know this about the slime, but it was actually created together, like me and you all, the unicorn babies. We actually created this slime when I first started like restocking my shop, and it just became a bestseller. It became my #1 bestseller, and it was actually inspired by Scream Queens. Ariana Grande's character in Scream Queens was named Chanel number 2, and yeah, it's just, you know, taking me back. Even though the show is canceled, we still have at least a Chanel number 2 in slime form to live on with the legacy. So for this week's restock, we're going to be doing something a little bit special, and we're going to be giving out some free slime to the first 6 orders. They're going to be getting a free 4-ounce slime, but that's not all, honey. We're also going to be giving away 4 other 4-ounce slimes to random orders throughout the restock. So I will make sure that on Sunday when we package orders, I will let you all know on my Instagram who won what free slime, and yeah, you'll know what you're going to be getting if you want anything, and I'm just really excited. Also, this week we're giving away a free 32-ounce slime to the largest order, and it's a cotton candy DIY clay slime. It's super nice and just really cool, and it's 32 ounces, so it's huge. We've actually been doing that a lot, giving away 32 ounces to the largest orders, and y'all seem to love it, so as long as y'all like it, we'll keep doing it. Baja Blast is my second bestseller in the shop. This one does really well along with Chanel and Mud Mask. This one here is a hybrid textured slime, so it has like 2 textures kind of going on with the slime. I like to call it a hybrid texture, but basically it's a mixture between a clear cloud dough slime and an icy slime. It's really nice. It looks like an icy, yet it still has that web effect, and it gives a little bit of a drizzle. I call them baby drizzles, but I really love this slime so much, especially for the scent. It smells exactly like a Baja Blast soda, which is so good. If you've never gotten one from Taco Bell, you need to go and snatch, honey. It smells amazing. It's basically like a lemon lime soda, but with some tropical notes and blue raspberry. It's really good. Mud Mask is my third best-selling slime in the shop. This one is another hybrid slime. It's a hybrid between a cloud cream and a butter slime, so there is clay in here and also a little bit of instant snow. I love it for the sizzles. It's just so amazing. It's also super creamy and spreadable. I just really love it. It's scented like green tea lemon, and it does come with a leaf charm now. I'm speaking way too fast. I feel like Mud Mask is definitely the most underrated slime in my shop. If you definitely want to snatch an underrated slime from me, this one would be it. It's like the definition of underrated because it is a bestseller. We do sell a lot of it. However, it is always like the last to sell out. It's so weird. I can't really put my finger on why that is, but everybody who gets it ends up falling in love with it. So I highly suggest that you pick one of these up during this restock. Sunflower jelly is a really cool jelly slime with a ton of add-ins and glitters. It's just so pretty. So it has these like beads in there that represent sunflower seeds, and then of course it is packed full of glitter. I love this slime so much. It's so clear, so jelly-like. It's actually a new jelly recipe that I tried out, and it's going to be my permanent jelly recipe because I just love it so much. It's super, super thick and jelly-like. It's amazing. It's also scented like a Hawaiian flower, so that smells really good as well. It's floral, yet kind of sweet at the same time. It's just really good. This was actually made as an exclusive slime for the Midwest Slime Fest. However, I'm no longer attending that event, unfortunately, so I am going to be selling it here in my shop. Candy Crush is also a new slime to the shop. This one is a white glue snow fizz. It's super crunchy and sizzly and amazing, and it smells like a mixture of candies. It's honestly one of the best scents this restock. It smells amazing. It'll also come with 2 random candy charms, and it is also packed with a bunch of different sprinkles and also different clay chunks to represent like crushed up candy. It's super cool. Unicorn Mint Chip is a really fun slime in the shop. This one is a cloud cream, and it's scented exactly like chocolate mint ice cream. It smells so, so good, and it is topped off with a bunch of green, black, and white sprinkles that kind of represent the color of our logo. I just thought this would be a really fun, idea. We had the colors just sitting there for the sprinkles, so I was like, hey, let's do mint chip because that's like one of my favorite ice cream flavors, obviously, and let's add in those sprinkles because that would be fun. So this is kind of like our official slime, kind of. I guess it could be like our official ice cream slime. That's a thought. The texture of this slime is super nice, and it's very sizzly and amazing. I love it a lot. It even inflates, and it is a cloud cream slime, so it's the same texture as all of our ice cream slimes in our OG slime sundae bar. Orange soda cake is actually a slime that was inspired by a post that I saw on Pinterest one time, and I actually made it. So it's like these soda pop cakes that you can make. So you add like soda into cake mix and actually make it, and it becomes a cake. So it's really cool, and I wanted to do that. I've actually made one in real life before, so I decided to turn it into a slime. So it's a DIY clay slime. It comes with 8 ounces of this orange soda cake scented slime. So it's scented like orange soda and cake. It smells delicious, and then it also will come with, of course, the the clay cake. It's a bundt cake, a mini one, and then it'll also come with a 1.5 ounce little heart container of orange clear slime so that you can drizzle it and decorate your cake however you want. It's super cool. The base is a little bit overactivated just because when you mix the clay in, it kind of softens it. So just to kind of combat that, I wanted to overactivate the base a little bit so it would be nice and perfect when you mix it all together. It becomes really, really nice and really cool slay slime texture, and I love it. And the last slime we have is called Petit Foie. I hope I pronounced that right. I'm so sorry if I butchered it, but it is French. It means small oven, and it's actually what they call little bite-sized appetizers or cakes as well. And I just thought it was the cutest idea, so I decided to make it into a slime. So this is scented like strawberry birthday cake, and it smells super, super good. It's actually packed with a bunch of jelly cubes. This was my first time both making and playing with a white glue jelly cube, and it was amazing. It's so squishy, and I actually really love popping the little jelly cubes. It's so much more satisfying than in a clear glue slime. I have no idea why. Alrighty, y'all, well, that was pretty much it for this restock video. I really hope you all enjoyed it and found something that you would like to purchase. Do not forget, the shop does open today at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, so make sure you check your local time zone and convert that if needed. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you all very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!